Do you want to get ideal customer for your business that you are recently starting? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create lead generation campaigns with the use of Facebook and Instagram platform. My name is Edgarfxz. If you don't know me, it's time to subscribe to this beautiful channel. Activate the bell and give me a like when you feel really comfortable. So let's get started. Well, we're going to go directly to the business.facebook.com and we're going to be here in this main dashboard. You have to sign up and that's everything. And I want to tell you something before starting this campaign. The lead generation campaign is really important for products and services that are more expensive than the average. The main reason because you want to call the possible customer to close the sale, but the possible customer will ask you for more information, more details, or something related, and after that you give all the information, you have to close the sale. So in the future videos we're going to see how to close the sales. But I want to tell you that this campaign could have an average among 60% to 70% of performance. So once that I have told you this, we're going to create the campaign. We're going to click here on the create button and we're going to click here on lead generation. We're going to establish an as auction and buying type, and on lead generation we're going to click here on continue and we're going to type the name of the campaign, for example restaurant management in 2021, and we're going to click here on turn off this button of campaign budget optimization. After that we're going to click here on next and we're going to click here the name set. You can type the same, and after that we're going to click here with the web page that you want to work. Remember that I have a restaurant, so I'm going to click here on my restaurant web page. It is important to have a fan page to create this kind of information. After that you're going to click here on the budget and schedule. In this case we're going to be working with the same information that Facebook recommends, with 200 Mexican pesos or 10 US dollars. That is quite similar. And then we're going to go here on the audience. Remember that you are working with something that is really new. So in this case, probably I want to work with an entire country, because we're going to suppose that this kind of course is it's online, and we want to have as many students from all the country. So we're going to click here on Mexico because I am here in Mexico, but you can change it on any other location, for example Canada. And we're going to click here on the entire country, and here comes the most important part of the campaign, to create the detailed targeting. And we're going to click here on the age, probably someone who starts their business at the age of 25 years or something else. So for the restaurant management, I want to be focused in this part, so we're going to type restaurant, and we're going to click here in the owner, restaurant management, for example. Well, it must be more specific, restaurant management, because as management. You can have any other areas. And we're going to select this kind of restaurant general managers and managements. And remember something that is really important here, that if you haven't subscribed yet, it's time to do it. Please do it, because it's essential when we upload new videos related to this. In this occasion, we are working with Facebook and Instagram campaigns, and that we're going to be working with different platforms. So the next part of this, we have been working with this, and we have in Canada more than 39,000 people. And the next part to show this ad will be in the manual placement. I really like, because what does it mean when the places where your ad will be appear, for example, on the feeds and stories, on the in-stream, we're going to unselect this and search on this. We're going to unselect this, and once that we have done this, we're going to go directly here for the next. We won't do anything in these buttons, because it's okay when Facebook is working. And the next part is creating the ad. In this part, I want to show you how to create the best ad. For this, I have a specific video how to create captivating ads with the use of copywriting. So I'm going to jump this part, but you have to be working here. So in this case, we'll have to identify your Facebook page and your Instagram account if you want to work with the two at the same time. The next part is the ad setup, and we're going to create an ad. I'm going to establish only a single image or video, and then we're going to go here, directly here, and you can text, you can write something important here, but I want to show you the most important part, that is the instance for that you were going to create. In this part, you're going to create the form. You're going to form name, for example, restaurant management. And the next part is the intro. If you want to change, for example, the image that is here, or you can upload a new image. The next part is the headline, and for example, I want to tell you that subscribe to restaurant management. The paragraph that you want to include probably will call you to inform you with more detail. And that's everything. And the next part are the questions. For example, what we're going to ask for example, the email, full name, and the phone number. That's everything, because we want to have only this kind of information. I consider that they can, and that any possible customer can give you this kind of information. But if you ask for more detail, probably they want to give that information. The next part is on the privacy. You have to copy paste you already have a privacy policy. Just you have to copy paste where it is. I'm going to click here, and the link test, I don't know, Chevatlan privacy. And that's everything. And the completion, once the user have filled all the information, you can say thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit for now, or you can add something different. We'll be in contact as soon as possible. So you can add here if you want. If you have a link, you can add here, and then you can click here and publish. Remember that I haven't written all the information, for example the description. That's everything. You have to click here and publish, and just you have to give all the information that asks you. In this case, I'm going to give some information that is missing, and that's everything. Once that you have this information, just you have to active here your tracking code, your pixel. That is really important, because with this pixel you're going to know more about the customer, how the customer is moving through your website or something different. And once that you have here, you have to click here and publish, and you have to wait that Facebook approves your ad. Well, that's everything. I hope you have enjoyed. Subscribe to this beautiful channel, and we'll see you until the next